I'm a serious gamer. Nine your left. Watch out. Thank you to Audible for supporting PBS Digital Studios.
This video talks about 9 mass extinctions plus a bonus. Number 9, the Cambrian extinction. This one begins at the beginning of the Paleozoic era. By the end of this era, our planet has come the closest it has ever gotten to being devoid of life. Why don't you check this video out?
Whole new fantastic ecosystems with complex food webs that life had not experienced before. But this explosion of life couldn't last forever. The Cambrian ended 488 million years ago in a mysterious mass extinction that saw the disappearance of many trilobite and mollusk species. While this extinction is not well understood, a sudden crash in oxygen levels may have been to blame. And remember that, because a lot of the pivotal events in the Paleozoic will hinge on the amount of oxygen.
In my opinion, it must have been a supernova. It would have heated the oceans and stripped them of oxygen, causing other things. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Also called the comment section. Number 8, the Ordovician mass extinction. The next mass extinction may have been caused by a gamma ray burst in 2017. It was found that it was a large volcanic eruption that caused it. That was Camarasaurus, the ancestor of the squid. It lived in the Ordovician period.
But early in the GOBE, the very first land plants sprouted in the primordial rocks. Based on their
In the Ordovician period, the first plants hadn't appeared. That was in the Silurian period when life continued to when life has finished its recovery after the Ordovician extinction.
So far. The Ordovician Silurian extinction event wiped out 86% of marine species, including many kinds of trilobites and cephalopods. As you can tell from the name, it brought an end to the Ordovician and marked the beginning of the next period, the Silurian. Life was able to recover once again in the Silurian.
Life has recovered already,
Plants, for example,
or
started to
maybe
spread on the
not.
land. Fossils of early
It would
vascular
have
plants like
recovered already
Chrysomia
if it was
first
for a
appeared in
gamma
rocks
ray
from this period,
burst.
as do the first fossils of terrestrial fungi. The jawless ostracoderms were still the
Cooksonia
most
was one
common
of the
swimmers
first
in the
land
sea,
plants
and they developed
related
all
to
sorts of
today's
spines and
trees.
horns, likely to protect themselves from carnivorous sea scorpions, the eurypterids. But by the end of the Silurian 419 million years ago, a new type of fish learned to bite back.
That fish appeared in the Devonian, the first jawed fish. Number seven, the Devonian period. It caused a mass extinction, which was horrific.
These two phases. Together, these events are known as the late Devonian extinctions, and they seem to have been
It
caused by a
wiped
series
out
of drops in oxygen
70%
levels
of
in the
all life on
seas. By the
Earth.
end of the
The
Devonian, many
Ordovician
trilobites
extinction
and all
wiped
of the
out
armored placoderms had vanished from the
75%.
world's oceans. Luckily for us and other land animals, at least some early tetrapods survived into the next period, the Carboniferous. But the
Number 6, the Carboniferous rainforest collapse. An ice age happened,
because it was around
but before that, water wasn't able to reach to rain down in all of the continents, and that's why the Carboniferous rain collapse happened.
this time that the continents began to merge into a single supercontinent. Eventually, over millions of years, it would become Pangaea. This landmass was so big that it was impossible for moisture from the ocean to reach inland. The result? A severe drop in humidity and temperature that wiped out much of the Carboniferous forest about 305 million years ago. It's known today as the Carboniferous rainforest collapse. By the end of this period, about 290 million years ago, much of the forests were replaced by a giant desert at the heart of the continent, with extensive glaciers in the southern hemisphere. These arid wastelands would have been uninhabitable for early tetrapods, but not for the amniotes, and they rapidly split into two major groups, the reptiles and the synapses. And both groups spent the last period of the Paleozoic, the Permian.
Synapses have one hole in their head like mankind. The pelycosaurs were the first giant reptiles. Before the worst mass extinction happened, those pelycosaurs evolved into mammal-like reptiles. Pariasaurs are ancestors of modern mammals, and not mammal-like reptiles. Number 5, the Permian extinction, the worst mass extinction ever.
Volcanic activity and climate change, but the result, the Permian Triassic extinction event, nearly spelled doom for life on Earth. 96% of marine species, including many sharks,
95% of all the species died out at the end of the Permian. After that, at the beginning of the Triassic, life has recovered. Number 4, the Triassic period. Life recovered at that time. Life was still in recovery after the end. The Triassic-Jurassic extinction pushed carbon dioxide levels, which were high, even higher, and oxygen levels, which were roughly half than today, which is 21%, which is today. Got lower 600,000 years after the mass extinction began. The atmosphere was still barely breathable. The Jurassic period was when the first giant killer dinosaurs appeared, and then the extinction of the dinosaurs has happened. Number three, the dinosaur extinction, the asteroid. Fragments of it flew away from Earth. One of them struck in Alaska. The asteroid caused rock vapor, mega tsunamis, lava tsunamis, a magnitude 13 earthquake, volcanic eruptions, a sandstorm, hydrogen sulfide coming from water holes, whether they have dried up or not. It also created an ice age at the end. It also created a meteor shower and then a much bigger one, which caused the sun to be blocked, causing the ice age. Another stage was an ejector cloud. Another stage was a shockwave that destroyed the Alamosaurus. But before that, it was an earthquake, then a shockwave, and then those that small amount of meteors, which was moderate compared to the rain of fire that happened after the ejector cloud. And after the volcanic eruptions. Number two. Number two, the Grande Capure, also called the it means the Great Break. It's also called the Eocene or Oligocene extinction. It wiped out 20% of species of Earth. No one knows for sure what caused it, but in my opinion, it must have been the Lagaretta, a supervolcano, which was even worse than Toba. Why don't you check it out for yourself? It's from a YouTube channel called Regular Comparisons, a video that talks about volcanic eruptions. It's called Volcano Power, or maybe it's called Volcano Power Comparison. No, Volcano Eruption Power Comparison. Why don't you check it out?
Vikings first entered Iceland back in 1280. Speaking of Vikings, there's a really awesome game called Viking One. To start, I'll nickname the games Ragnarok and Edison playing together. Now onto the main part of the video.
Sorry about that ad. However, there are supervolcanoes. Tambora created the year without summer, 1816. Another volcano caused the Little Ice Age. That's just like saying the little mosasaur, which was a marine lizard. A mosasaurs related to sea serpents. That means that they were almost completely wiped out in the extinction of the dinosaurs. They were not dinosaurs, but marine lizards. Mount St. Helens left us caused so much ash that around it, people and animals died. I mean that the surface looked like the moon. There was a volcanic eruption, which I was talking about. Lagaretta super eruption is my opinion as to what caused the extinction, and it is definitely true. The Io hypereruption would have wiped out 99% of all species, and that volcanic eruption is chilling. Number one, Toba. It caused a mass extinction. When Toba erupted, it caused a 10-year-old global warming. Winter temperature dropped by 5 degrees Celsius. The human race, along with other mammals, were almost wiped out. The megalania was wiped out at this time. However, rumors say that it still lives today, even though there's no evidence. Just because there are videos and rumors, doesn't mean that there is evidence. Some may perhaps a mass extinction may be caused by mankind themselves. Sadly, that's a real possibility. why don't you check out how it might start?
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct.
The Permian extinction caused the Earth to get warmer. However, climate change is reversible.
Do you write anything on your computer?
I write pretty much all day, every day, and rarely waste my writing pen.
Before we finish the video,
Actually, is practically as
mm,
writing.
my name is Ishmael Gilchrist, and I hope you're enjoying my narration. I hope you will like my narration. If you want to know what I look like in real life, then watch my video 5 dinosaurs caught on camera.
More important emails and social media posts, which there are a lot of.
I've used every tool out there, and Grammarly is by far the best for improving your writing. Grammarly is making me a better writer.
Also, so so let me know what do you think of this, and also so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. That's all for now. It's hard to say goodbye, but you will hear from me in the next video.